Okay, for this little session, alright, we're going to look into this idea or this topic of insecure design. We have been using a lot of system development model, right? All system analysts, all programmers, developers, computer science subjects, ICT subjects, anything that deal with development or software development, all of us has been learning this from the very beginning. And there are a lot of models, right, from your very traditional SDLC, okay, system development life cycle, waterfall model, agile, RAD, spiral, and so much more, right? Okay, so we know how to build the system based on the user's requirement. We have no problem on that. We can get the system to do what they are supposed to do. All right. So what is the problem? The problem is that despite all this, despite all this effort on using the system development models, okay, that has been proven, is most of the time we don't think about security when we are developing the software, whether it is a web application, a mobile app, client server environment, but we don't think about security. Well, we usually only think about security halfway, if we are lucky, or when we are very close to the end, when we are very close to the product, the end of the product. All right, we are almost close to the production, right, or the deployment. Then we start to think about all the rest. So we are very focused on the function, but not the security. That is the problem. So the idea that we want to drive across here is we need to revise, okay, all these bad practices. Okay, we need to enhance the model. How or what to do is we want to bring security into our development model. That is what we mean, right? We want to start with the design, okay? During the design phase, when we are thinking about the function, we are already thinking about security. So we are building security into the design itself, right? And that is what is important to everyone, okay? Instead of having a problem later, okay, when you deploy it and you find that you have to backtrack, solve the problem, okay, and actually it costs much more money, right? It is more expensive to solve a problem after you have deployed the application than to solve the problem when it is still on paper, when it is still at the coding phase. Okay, and this is what we need to drive all our system developer or our development team to do.